Hello, everyone. My name is Benjamin Loza, and I'm joined by my team members, Zona, Roy, and Sharuk. And this is Stimtelligent, an intelligent support system designed to help and respond to the needs of autistic individuals. So, we begin with a story. So, imagine you will, you're in a loud and unfamiliar place, and you cannot speak. What do? You may start plugging your ears, maybe even flapping your hands, maybe even screaming. You do everything you can just to stay calm or just to ask for help. But despite everything, no one understands you. It's frustrating and it's terrifying. Now, imagine that for every single day of your life. That's the daily reality for many children with severe autism. And I would like to expand on the story. So, this app came from a personal place of mine. I wanted to build something that could help autistic children, their caregivers, and first responders. With input from my mom and discussions with my team, we focused on an AI tool that can recognize STEM, tics, and behaviors in real time, especially for nonverbal kids. And this isn't a project for us; it's personal because you see, my brother is autistic, as he is here on the slideshow right here, and he's one of the biggest reasons why I chose to work on an app like this. His experiences and the way people respond to him, it inspired me to create something that could help him and children alike. And now my teammate Zona will talk about her experiences. Zona?
Thanks, Ben. This really hit home for me too. My dad's brother is autistic and nonverbal. As a kid, I watched my family struggle to understand him. His behaviors were unpredictable. Some day he would be calm, and the other day he would be completely withdrawn. There were no way to tell why he was feeling what he was feeling, and no guide to know how to help and what when to know what he'll do next. That's why I knew we had to build something compassionate, something intelligent that could help families like mine. And there were no apps or anything to help nonverbal autistic child. That's where Stimtelligent comes in, an agentic AI app that help caregiver of nonverbal autistic people. For this presentation, we call the autistic individuals as Noah, just as a placeholder name. Using just a phone camera, the app can detect stims and ticks in real time. And if Noah is flapping or rocking, the app suggests something like, try guiding Noah to a quiet place. And it doesn't stop there. If the suggestion works, great. If not, the app adapts based on caregiver feedback. It gets smarter over time. If the suggestions works, that's great, right? And then there's also a morning check-in feature. It might say, Noah may be more sensitive today. Consider a walk here before lunch, just as we have it on the upper right. Um, and then Roy will continue from here.
Thanks, Zona. And this is where it becomes interactive. If a caregiver notices something new, like Noah rocks when he's tired, they can input that. The app then uses that information to recommend helpful resources like articles, tools, videos, and these are all inside the resources tab. We also built a dictionary tab, which I personally love. Every Noah is different. For one child, a wave might mean I'm excited. For another, it might mean I'm overwhelmed. So instead of asking caregivers to define those gestures themselves, which could be overwhelming or inaccurate, our agentic AI built a custom behavioral model that dictionary automatically. It learns from previous TIMS detections and feedback, and over time, it creates a personalized map of what each behavior likely means for that individual. And if the caregiver already knows what a specific behavior means, they can input it. So the AI learns faster and tailors suggestions more effectively. While the app runs in the background, we want to explain what sets our AI apart. Most teams in this program built a general purpose chatbot. We built an agentic AI. That means our system doesn't just wait for a prompt, it observes, interprets, and takes action based off context. It's goal driven, personalized, and built specifically to support nonverbal autism.
Exactly. Our AI was trained on real world data, including frames from Ben's brother, other public examples of stimming. It doesn't just flag movement, it interprets emotional cues and recommendation and recommends action. This makes it deeply human-centered, not just technically smart. And we chose the agentic AI track For a reason. The market is growing fast. According to the Gartner's Group report on agentic AI by 2028, 33% of apps will include agentic AI, up from less than 1% today. Stimtelligent is ahead of that curve.
Now, this app is designed for parents, educators, therapists, caregivers, and even first responders. It really supports anyone who's supporting a nonverbal or autistic individual who struggles to express themselves. Intelligent helps them understand what's happening and what to do next. And finally, Shirk will finish up our presentation.
Okay, thank you, Roy. So STEM intelligence makes a real difference by empowering caregivers with intelligent real-time guidance, bridging communication gaps between children and adults, and fostering independence through understanding and compassion. It turns confusion into clarity and reaction into meaningful support.
Stimtelligent knows
Intelligent.
the
Know the why
behind every
every
stim.
stem.
Thank you so much for listening.
We're Blue Care Loop.
And this was Intelligent.
And we'd love to answer any questions.